Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how we can make black and white video in ShotCut. So what you want to do is really easy. Just have a video in your timeline. Then you want to click on the filters. When you're in the filters, just click plus. Right here, saturation. And now what you want to do is decrease completely saturation. And I got my Spider-Man black and white. So this is how we can do it. And yep, thank you very much everybody for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can support and subscribe. I'll be really thankful for that. Thank you again everybody. Have a great day and see ya.